So we're near Shibuya, but specifically Ebisu, because we're gonna go to one of our favorite restaurants for garlic lovers,
This is actually one of my favorite.
Ninikuya. So if you're a garlic lover, they've got some crazy wild garlic dishes. But even if you're not a garlic lover, they have just subtle garlic flavors.
I feel like anybody could like this. Like,
Yeah, any dish in here is amazing. So we're gonna go try it out. I want to show you guys some of my favorite dishes so that you can order it. And then I wanted to help you guys find this place. So let's go in. Ninikuya garlic restaurant. It's kind of hard to find. I always just get surprised by this place. And yes, they're open. Hello. Sorry, I'm hot and sweaty. All right, here we go. I love this place. Look, they already have garlic hanging. All right, so we're gonna open up the menu. Yes, they do have garlic beer here. I'm gonna skip that. Black garlic whiskey, which I've tried before. I'm gonna get that though. I'm starting off with this. This is actually water. Glass says Yebisu because in this area, and that's probably why it's called Yebisu, there's a famous brewery that isn't really known around the world, but around here in Tokyo it is. So I'm gonna start off with beer. So this right here is their garlic bread. It looks strange because it's standing up. We're definitely gonna get that. Cheese and fresh basil garlic pizza bread. That sounds good. Black garlic with cream cheese toast. Homemade pickled garlics. Ooh, pickled garlics. See, fried garlic chips with cream cheese. Okay, that's cool. Did you get garlic milk?
We got hazelnut milk.
Okay, this is an Ebisu beer. Oh yeah, refreshing. Kiro really likes the oven baked mashed potatoes. Gotta try that later. Okay, this is one of my favorite dishes here, cilantro over tomatoes, and they put the salad dressing on the side. It's really good. It's kind of got a Southeast Asian flavor profile. Really good. Lots of garlic.
I don't like dressing.
Carol, what'd you say about the cilantro?
I usually don't like cilantro because it kind of tastes like soap sometimes.
Uh-huh.
But with the garlic and tomatoes, it tastes really good.
It's really balanced. Yeah, I'm scarfing this down too. I'd highly suggest starting your meal off with this too, and a beer. Right now it's summertime, blazing hot, sweaty, so
It's so nice in here too.
cleanse your palate because what's coming up next, lots of flavor. So this is a standard Caesar salad. I don't think there's any garlic, and they again put the Caesar salad. Maybe, oh yeah, maybe you're right. Let me try it. Oh, I know it's delicious. Another thing that's kind of interesting is they've got this onsen tamago. We love all the vegetable dishes here. Always try to order at least half vegetable dishes. Wow.
Gonna cut these and
This is what you guys are known for, right?
yes, it's the garlic toast on
How
top.
old is this recipe, would you say?
41 years.
Years. Whoa.
This is the garlic butter on top. I'm gonna stuff it inside. It's like a hole in the middle, and we put it in the oven standing upright so the butter goes down. Yes.
Do you dream about garlic sometimes?
Actually, not really. I dream about working, but not exactly garlic. per se.
If I ate this much garlic, I would.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Thank you.
It smells so good.
And this is our new item. We have the pizza bread.
Ooh, I saw that on the menu.
Looks like this one.
Nice.
Yes. And obviously
Okay.
it has garlic in it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on the garlic bread? Good? Yeah? The garlic bread is definitely a crowd pleaser.
And we have the bechamel cream korokke.
Ooh.
Tomato sauce. And there's
Gosh.
ham inside.
Okay.
Some mushrooms.
Thank you.
No, I cut it. Hey, Daddy, here's a towel.
It's a toast. Garlic pizza
It
toast.
doesn't even taste like garlic. Can I try
That's
that?
insane. It's a subtle garlic flavor.
Can I try some too? You like it? Yes.
Oh,
Can you
oh.
cut me a little piece, Daddy?
Are you part of the cheese edge, browned and crispy club? Every time I come here, I'm like, let's not order as much as last time, and then we end up getting it all, and no regrets.
See the cheese crust.
Oh yeah. Can't remember having this Caesar salad, but this Caesar salad dressing. I have a feeling they make it in house. Okay, and also it's chicken. They make this chicken the way I like my chicken, with the skin on, some charred pieces.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good that night.
That chicken with this salad.
Good.
Okay, so we annihilated everything except the last bits of chicken. What I did was I took the Thai salad dressing that has the peppers and I put it over the last of the chicken just because I want the heat from those peppers. I'm impressed. You ate everything. Everyone tried everything. Even Mia, who swore she wasn't gonna eat.
Yes, you did. You said I'm not gonna eat.
So there's a couple things. There's dessert. We're definitely gonna try the garlic ice cream with black sugar syrup.
I want to
Okay.
get that one.
And then girls, you guys can look at the menu and pick whatever dessert you want, okay? We didn't have the eggplant dish. We didn't have any of the pasta, the mashed potatoes. That's just what I can think of. I believe they have a deep fried chicken dish. We didn't have that either. There's only 4 of us right now, and of course 3 of us are young girls that don't eat very much. I'm stuffed. I'm so tempted to get that eggplant dish. That's probably my favorite, but just try everything. They even have escargot, garlic snails. I've been looking forward to this all day. This is a garlic whiskey. I believe they mix in the black garlic into their own whiskey. This is black garlic with ice. I want to just try it neat first, and then I'm gonna pour it onto the ice. Pour it on the rocks. Thank you for correcting me. What's that?
Let me try it first and then put it on the rocks.
Okay, yeah,
That's what you
not
said.
you. I'm gonna try
That's
it.
what you said.
Okay, yeah.
Why
Put
can't
it on the
try
rocks.
it?
Cheers.
No.
Take a little whip. We definitely get that hint of black garlic in there, but the whiskey still comes through.
It's gonna taste sweet. Oh, yummy. Put it on the rocks.
That's really good. See, the thing about garlic, it becomes sweet at one point,
Spin on me.
and it's got a sweetness to it. I was gonna order this at the beginning of the meal, and June told us get it at the end. It's like a nice nightcap or end of meal snack.
Can I put it on the rocks?
I am gonna have. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Please don't spill any because it's very valuable.
That's all? Ready? No,
You don't have to tilt the
I don't
other one.
care.
Go, quick. There we go.
You already tried it, Dad.
I definitely believe that you're gonna enjoy this more if you try it on the rocks because it just brings out that garlic, but then it's a little more subtle, obviously, because it's
You should
watered
tell
down.
people if they don't know what the rocks mean.
Oh yeah, the rocks means on ice. Thank you very much to my bartender daughter. Now you know another thing that she was recommending.
You mean on the rock?
Put some club soda in this. Make it a soda.
That's what Benji.
Make it. I guess that would be technically a highball. A garlic highball.
And
Wow, thank you so much.
This is like my birthday.
FYI, this is the off menu. This is a specialty item, okay?
No, Daddy, wait, don't blow it. Oh my God.
Can I blow it out? It's my birthday.
You know
My
what
birthday's soon.
Garlic ice cream. I haven't had this since the first time, so I'm gonna try this right now. See, this garlic ice cream is more of a novelty, and as I mentioned, even if you're not a garlic lover, the food here is just so good. But if you want something different and something fun, the garlic ice cream. Hey, can you make garlic ice cream at home?
You can make it.
Okay.
Silly Billy. You're gonna speak up the ice cream machine.
Mm.
Oh, Daddy, you will.
See-
When it breaks.
I already mentioned this. Garlic gets a sweetness when you cook it a certain way, and that's what's happening here. The sweetness of the garlic is coming out. So it already pairs well. Girls, you want to try it? Just one bite. One bite.
Dramatic.
Ice cream?
Oh. Eat more than. Don't be dramatic. Don't be dramatic.
Yo, but it tastes like, it does taste like garlic though, but it doesn't taste like bad.
But it's subtle, right?
you
Oh,
want
it's your birthday.
you like that?
Kira ate some today.
Oh,
Or she
really?
bought
Awesome.
some.
Yeah, so one each. And I bought some sunflower. cooling sunblocks for you, the girl.
Sunblock?
Yes, sunscreen. Yeah. And something for Judy.
Oh, really? Thank
Yes.
you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she's gonna be taller than
Yeah.
Judy soon.